Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Add font awesome icon to all of our buttons. Font awesome is a convenient library of icons. These icons can be web fonts or vector graphics. These icons are treated just like fonts. You can specify their size using pixels, and they will assume the font size of their parent HTML elements. Task for this challenge: use Font Awesome to add info circle icon to your info button and trash icon to your delete button. Okay, for that we have info button here, and we will use I class equal to FAS FA info circle and close it. For icon, and in the same way we can do for delete button. In this case we will use the icon trash. So FA info circle in place of info circle, this should be trash. Okay, let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.